These are the top websites for traders I wish I knew before I started trading. If you're new here, my name is Sibulele, and I'm currently documenting my entire trading journey with as much transparency as possible so that I can keep myself accountable. So if you're new here, you're just getting started with trading, or you're already experienced with trading, please subscribe to my channel for new videos every single Friday. All right, so the first website that I really wish I knew a lot sooner that would have benefited me in my trading, would have helped me a lot with my trading, is definitely Forex Tester. So basically, Forex Tester is a Forex simulator that helps you practice your Forex trading with the Forex Tester software, right? It's an independent software and not a trading platform, right? However, it allows you to actually simulate and not only practice your methodology or your strategy, but you are actually putting yourself in different market scenarios with different trading conditions. And this is going to allow you to get to a point where a lot of the moves that are playing out in the back of your head are repetitive moves. It's going to allow you to also train your eye, because most of the work in trading is mostly, with regards to screen time. Okay. You are able to control the speed of your test. You are able to, interact with different people utilizing, the software. And it's basically a turnkey solution that allows you to access historical data, education, as well as training, not only for the mind, but also for the human eye. Okay. And obviously you're able to do this everywhere around the world. This software is actually a paid software. I'm not affiliated with the software in any shape or form. Just recommending it. It is a very important tool to help you backtest and help your trading in the best way possible. Okay, so the second software I'm gonna recommend is TradingView. Okay, so TradingView is hands down the best software you can use, not only for creating your analysis, but mostly for charting down, accessing different financial instruments, accessing different currency pairs, whether that'll be gold, there'll be the Nasdaq 100. It's gonna actually allow you to assemble all your analysis and all your trading ideas on one place. Keep yourself accountable. You are able to keep your analysis on the same chart, and you're able to come back and see the outcomes of all your trading ideas. So that's also a very crucial website that really can help you with your trading. It's much more better than doing your analysis on the MetaTrader 4 platform. It's really going to help you your trading in a big way. Okay, so the next one is called Forex Factory. Okay, so Forex Factory, myself being a supply and demand trader, I don't actually use, with regards to the news or the economic calendar. I'm not too focused on that. However, the Forex Factory could be very beneficial as a swing trader when you're avoiding certain pairs that's going to have, high impact news that could potentially affect your setups negatively. Okay. You are able to, in the beginning of the week, to look at the economic calendar, and from the Sunday right up until the end of the week, you're able to see where you have red folders, where you have every specific event has folders inside. You can actually tap into and read some feedback these guys can give you on that. What they forecast, and most importantly, after the event happens, you're able to come back and see what the outcomes of that event actually was. As you can see, the Wednesday we had high impact news on the New Zealand dollar. So myself being a supply and demand trader, I would have actually avoided trading this pair, whereas other people would have used the economic calendar looking for pairs that have high impact news, as these individuals are seeking the volatility. Okay, and of which I do believe volatility can also help your setups reach the target a lot sooner, a lot faster, and a lot easier. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next one now, and I'm gonna recommend a forex broker. So since I am utilizing Xnus, right, I'm gonna recommend Xnus as the recommended go-to broker. I'm not affiliated with Xnus. I am not what do you call this, beneficiary in any form or shape from promoting them, but I am recommending them just because I really enjoy these services. They really provide high quality services, and I've had not too many complaints about their products and services. Okay, so the next tool we're gonna look at is actually going to be the next website. I really wish I knew before I started trading is definitely Forex MyFXBook. I mean, it's myfxbook.com. Very important website. I'm going to go through all the features and benefits. Also free to use, which really is actually an added bonus. One of the first things I like is actually the FX calculator feature that you are able to use here that allows you to manage your risk on every single trade that you place. You're making sure that your risk parameter is directly in line with your trading plan. Okay, position size calculator. You're able to, do a trade and manage your position, right? Whether you're trading Euro USD, and your account currency is in USD, and your account size, you can put in there, and then it will tell you exactly what it's going to cost, okay, to place that trade. That's one of the benefits I like. But the biggest benefits of myfxbook.com that I really like is connecting it to your trading account by putting in your login details on your trading account, and then being able, it's going to give you all the stats of how well or how badly you're trading, whether it's your profit ratio percentages, how consistent you've been. That sort of becomes like a model that you can actually present, whether you're presenting it to an investor or just showing friends and family that how well you're trading. It's a direct reflection, shows you exactly how well you're performing on your trading. That's also what I recommend for a lot of traders. What you should do, just connect it and just put the link in your Instagram bio, Facebook bio, whatever the case might be, so the individual knows exactly what they're dealing with. Okay. Second one is MetaTrader 4, which is actually inevitable because this is the platform that gives us direct liquidity to the market. Very great app we can use. Um, Allows you to access a platform which actually is one of the greatest benefit we can have now, is having leverage, having been access to the market. Back when trading started, one of the first traders couldn't trade without having a lot of money up front. The startup costs, the barriers to entries were high, but now the barriers to entries are low. Anyone can literally start trading tomorrow. Doesn't mean they can necessarily trade profitably, but yeah. And then the last one is obviously education. Obviously right in front of me, I had Forex Trading Remastered, which is a program I created. If you're getting started out, I recommend that you enroll to this program in order for you to get started with trading. I'm going to put you in the best position to win, learn all the things that I learned the hard way. You can take time out of the equation and get to the next level. But thank you so much for tuning into my video. I drop new videos every single Friday. If you have any further questions, please let me know.